How to delete duplicate photos on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Photos app, navigate to the Collections page, and scroll all the way down. Here you're gonna find the section of Utilities. Under that, you're gonna find the option Duplicates. Clicking on that option, you're gonna find all the duplicates picture available in your device. Now, how can you delete it? Simply, you can click on the option of Merge. Merging will keep one version of the duplicates that combines the highest quality and relevant data and move the rest to recently deleted. So click on it, and just with that you have deleted the duplicates. And that's it. This way you can easily delete duplicate photos on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.